It's an opportunity to celebrate the success of all our housekeepers, housekeeping staff and hospitality industry across the country, and it's going to be a good night.
Delighted to be sponsoring the awards tonight. We work very closely with the United Kingdom Housekeepers Association. A lot of the people in this room tonight I consider to be colleagues and friends, and we're just really pleased that the industry is being recognised, and all credit to Mark and Tina for making that happen for us.
Forward to seeing the winners and actually recognising some of the great stories that go in behind, the hospitality industry. So they're often the unsung heroes. So I think it's fantastic that they get the opportunity to come out here tonight and demonstrate and show off, basically. So yeah, it's superb.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and good evening. If you'd kindly take your seats, dinner will shortly be served.
We'd like to welcome you all to the first Hotel and Housekeeping Honours, also known as the Triple H Awards.
It'd be great to see some of the people that we get to work with so closely every day standing up on stage and receiving that recognition that they so rightly deserve.
All the finalists, would you please join me on the stage and we'll have a lovely photograph of you all. The final award of the night is the Lifetime Contribution Award, arguably the most coveted of all the awards. It is in recognition of the contribution made by an individual throughout their working career in the hospitality industry. Please welcome to the stage to reveal the identity of this paragon, from WGC, Associate Director Barbara Hensher.
Julie Harper.
A standing ovation for Julie Harper, Lifetime Contribution Award winner.
For once, I'm lost for words. I'm truly honoured for this. I've been a housekeeper all my life, either in the industry or teaching, and I've been part of a wonderful team in the Midlands region. And I don't know what to say. I'm a gopher. I'm nothing else.
It's really important that we recognise those people who work really hard, especially back of house. They don't always get recognised, and especially housekeeping is the unknown quantity. But actually, it's the heart of house, so it's really important that tonight is so special. And I really appreciate all Mark and Tina's efforts into that tonight.